Hola amigos, welcome to the A to Z of And I'm gonna cook today for you a delicious chocolate pavlova with salted caramel sauce. Yum! Okay, so start the pavlova, the first step is the meringue. You clean the bowl really nicely. And after just crack the egg. So firm crack, and make sure the egg whites doesn't mix with the egg yolk. I'll do that 6 times. Okay, now we're gonna put all that beautiful egg whites in there. And just start whipping, baby, full speed. What you're gonna do, 1 little bit of sugar at a time, so you don't saturate the mix. Oh, just like Christmas. The sugar is helping all the bubbles of egg to hold together. Oh, stop it. So at this stage, it's shiny, it's fluffy, it's silky. That's when we're gonna put the vinegar, the flour, and a little tiny squeeze of lemon juice. And then we're gonna go full speed all the way until we have that shiny meringue. There you go. So the meringue is ready, and we got some chocolate that we melted in the microwave and we cool it down. So what we're gonna do now is get big spoonfuls of the meringue into the bowl, and now we flatten it up a little bit. And now with the spoon and the chocolate, don't be shy with this. Okay, and build the second layer on top. So we're building all these layers because when we have a big spoonful, all that chocolate will hack and cuddle the egg whites. This is what I'm talking about. You see, that's what you're looking for. And we're gonna put it onto a tray lined with a non-stick paper to avoid the meringue to stick. And now it's time to put the pavlovas in the oven. Now this is very important. The oven is preheated to 160 degrees because when we open it, it's gonna lose a little bit heat, and we're gonna cook it in 110 degrees for 2 hours. So I'm going to make the most delicious salted caramel sauce. Now, very simple. A pan of medium heat on the stove. Lots of sugar. Wait until it starts melting. Looking for that golden, delicious caramel color. And 1 little bit of butter at a time. Put the heat low, mix it in. A little bit more cream. Wow. We're gonna allow the caramel to cool down for at least 3 to 5 minutes so it's not bubbly and it's not gonna melt that salt as soon as it hits in the pan. And every time you get a mouthful of that, you get the best of both worlds, salty and sweet. These amazing meringues look absolutely stunning. And how you know they're ready? You can get one of them, just lift it, and doesn't stick to the non-stick paper. Now it's just assembling time with a little bit of whipped cream, the salted caramel sauce, some crushed nuts, and a little bit of chocolate. Just put them all together in a platter. And this is my chocolate pavlova with salted caramel sauce. If you're looking for more delicious recipes, check our A to Z of website. It's plenty of them. Adios, amigos.